Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick pickup from Tractor Supply. Figured it'd be interesting for you guys to check out. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today the wind is actually really bad. It's been windy for probably the last couple weeks. But you can hear the flag. The flag is just whipping. So, and this is probably, see my pine tree, probably 25, 30 miles an hour. While I was fixing the rear axle on the 4Runner, when I wasn't working on the 4Runner, it was calm. As soon as I opened the axle, pulled the axle shafts out, it was just whipping like you wouldn't believe. So it was kind of ironic. Every time I went to go work on the truck, you know, I'd take a break, leave it for a day, wouldn't mess with it, and there'd be no wind. As soon as I walk outside, unbolt the axle, slide one of the axles out to work on it, I had to like hurry, get some towel shoved into the axle shafts and tape it up so I wouldn't get dust in it. But it's been pretty bad, and we're still getting somewhere in the range of like 15 to 20 degrees at night, which is normally over around February, beginning of February. So what I grabbed is these two guys right here. These are from Tractor Supply. I actually went there looking for some farm stuff. I was looking for some horse syringes and a couple other things. They didn't have any, but I did pick these up. They're the same thing. One's red, one's green. But I'll bring the light in a little better. To do it like that. Give me a second, guys. There you go. Alright, so bring the light in a little bit better. Just down. So I picked these up, not particularly for the larger ones. These originally, these little mini drivers were originally by themselves. You could just purchase them by themselves, but they were $9 alone. This 2-pack was $9.99. It was $10, or no, it was $10.99. It was $11 after tax. But when you bought these individually, they were like $10 a piece. So this pack would have been $20 if you bought them individually. And I grabbed one set in green, one set in red. The big and little one are closer matching in color than the green. So this is kind of a dark green. This is kind of like a pea green. But I picked these up to get into really tight spaces where you can't get small ratchets. Like this guy, for an example. So this guy takes 1/4-inch bits. There. These are just 1/4-inch shank bits, which these are handy. They work well for lots of things. There's nothing wrong with these. It's just the downside is sometimes you don't have the swing arc for a ratchet like this. And this ratchet's got a couple other features. You can actually put it on this end and use it as a screwdriver. But sometimes you just don't have the room, especially under dashes, stuff like that, for something like this. Which is why I picked these up. And these are made by Pick Quick, established in 1988, multi-screwdrivers. The original, that's what it says on it. I'm not sure what the part number is. or model number is 67100. Handle and shake media in Canada. These are made in Vancouver, British Columbia, which is Canada. This one's 67100. 67100, exact same part number. So, shout out to the Canadians. This is a Canadian-made tool. Dash 7 1/4-inch bits. So this guy takes standard 1/4-inch bits, and this guy takes standard 3/16 micro bits. 1/4-inch bit driver comes with 1, 2, 3 Phillips, 1, 2 square or Robertson, and a 3/16 and 1/4-inch flat. The teeny turner is the little small one. Comes with a 00 and a 0 for Phillips. Comes with a 5, 6, and 8 star or Torx. Comes with a 2mm and a 3mm flat. So let's get them open real quick. And I have several different smaller ratchets. Like I have this guy right here, which is not a ratchet. This is just a bit driver, but it's a manual, so it's not a ratchet like this one. This one, you literally just put the bit in, and you push down, turn, pull up, push down, turn. This one also has it at the end where you can use it like that, and you can grip it right here and twist. Let's adjust a different version. That one out, and the little one. Packaging out the way. So that's what this guy looks like. This will come in handy when you don't have a lot of swing room, but all you have room for is to twist or turn in small spaces. The bits, this design is where you physically push one bit up, the one that you need. This one comes out, which is not completely easy to get out because it's not broken in, but then you could just put the one that you need in. These are magnetic. So it's a nice little kit. So say you need, this guy is the number 2 Phillips. It's a 00 Phillips, I mean. So you need this Torx right here. This is a T8. Same one with this one. Push it up, pull it up, pop it in. They're both magnetic. They're both nice. I do like this system. This one's a little easier to deal with. It's not so tight. Pop it in. Same with this guy. They're just different colors. I like red and green. That's why I picked them up. They had a blue and a purple. They had an orange. I would have grabbed the orange, but they didn't have an orange. Which I'm sure they probably do carry an orange, more than likely. Green. These are not ratcheting. They're just regular screwdrivers. You can see the green, they're different colors. This is more of a darker kind of foresty green. This is more of like a pea green. Where the red are not the same either. This is a kind of fire engine red. This is more of like a darker kind of a red with a reflective orangish hue to it. But they're nice for 24 bucks. I got two. This guy right here. It's the Phillips. Kind of shove this one up. This one back in place. There. So now I have two. They're very nice. I will give you guys a review over time, how comfortable they are to use. But well, that's basically it. This is a little Titan kit I got from O'Reilly's. I use this quite a bit. This is a Power Torque kit that I got from, this one I got from, yeah, I got this from O'Reilly's as well as this one from O'Reilly's. But I have a couple others. I remember exactly where I put them. I think they're somewhere in the toolbox somewhere. But just a quick video. I want to show you guys what I picked up. Not a huge haul or anything. These are going to come in handy for even electronics. Sometimes you just don't need something that ratchets. Sometimes you just want to push down and turn. You know, and sometimes not using a ratchet is faster. Sometimes doing it by hand is a lot quicker than a ratchet because you got to do this with a ratchet. Sometimes it's just quicker to just turn it. But it's called a little teeny turner. And this one is called the Dash 7. They're nice little units, especially getting 4 for 24 bucks. Not bad at all. Do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Let me know if you've ever seen these, if you ever used them, how they held up for you guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Last but not least, I do have a link down below at the top of the description for Ulsa Tools. I do have some more Ulsa Tools coming in for you guys to take a look at with you guys. And down the road, we'll do reviews on them. But if you use that link, it'll get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it will kick me back 10% off my next order at ulsatools.com. So if you guys need it, go ahead and use it. And nothing harmful in using it. It does help me out, does allow me to bring tools to the channel, allows me to do, you know, do demonstrations and give you guys tips and tricks and everything else. When you guys use the affiliate links, it does help me pay for tools for the channel and other things for the channel and pay for projects and everything else. There is also a join button if that is something you guys are interested in. The join button. I'm going to be adding more things to the memberships, a lot more features to the memberships, but all the proceeds that go that you guys provide to the memberships will be brought back into the channel. Just give me guys some suggestions that you guys want to see, let me know, and I'll see what I can do. I do appreciate your guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace!